time to take the doors off. So these, only 2 doors, which is easy. This one keeps, for some reason, keeps going to want to close. And what I've realised is over here, there's meant to be a spring that holds this door open. There's one on the other side, but not one on this side. So I have to source one of those. But really, to remove the door, so simple. There's 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, and that hinge will pull straight out and the door comes off. Someone has put a speaker in here at some point, and so there was a speaker wire in here, but I'm going to remove all that and plug the holes up because I don't want any holes in the doors. So let's get these off. So that's the driver's door. Certainly makes it so much easier to get in the car. And then passenger door there. And once again, it makes it so much easier to now get to the seats and the interior.